in today's video, ako mga amiga o amigo mag-try sila mga Filipino snacks gikan jud sa Philippines kay nagdala mi when last mi nag-visit. So, hopefully, ganahan sila and I hope you enjoy watching. Salamat! Ready to try Filipino snacks?
Yeah!
Alright!
Yeah!
First off, we're gonna try piatos. So, everybody can try one. Alright, you gotta rate them, okay? Gotta rate it. 1 out of 10? 10! 10! Okay!
Piatos. Muy bien.
Why are you speaking Spanish? Okay, 1, 2, 3, try. Go. And then you have to rate it out of 10. So, 0 to 10.
I give it a 6.
Okay.
I would eat it again. I think it's good.
Callan, just rate
I'm
it.
just testing. Sometimes you can tell a lot by the transparency of a check.
Alright, then we're gonna try crispy patata. Lena loves these. Gonna try something else.
Oh, you eat. You try. You try, buddy.
Alright, guys, rate it. What is it?
5.
5 out of 10?
Yeah.
10? What do you think, Amanda?
I'll give it an 8.
An 8? Alright, yay, 8!
Oh,
Crispy patata.
I've
Meaning.
tried these before.
Alright.
Oh, it's just like a shell noodle.
Yeah, it's literally what they look like.
It looks like a noodle that you put in boiling water with pasta.
I'm giving it a 3.
A 3. Hey, you guys ready? These are shrimp crackers. Oh, he's allergic. Or no, Chloe, that's
I don't like it.
Alright. Do you like them? These are shrimp crackers. They're made out of shrimp. What do you think? You like those, Colton?
Try one more.
Oh, Colton likes them. Colton, 10 out of 10. Say 10 out of 10.
8.
An 8?
5.
Oh, 5? Oh, don't put it back. What do you give it, Amanda?
It's not bad. I'll give it an 8.
Not bad? All right, I'll
bad.
take it. I'll take it. Oishi.
Yeah.
Oishi.
Yoshi.
Alright.
So are they shrimp crackers?
Yeah. So, Callan is allergic to this. That's why he's not eating it.
I also don't like fishy things, so this should be interesting.
There's a trash can behind you if you need it. You don't like it?
Oh, not easy.
0 out of 10. These are the same shrimp crackers, just a spicy version. So try those ones.
They smell like vinegar.
Yeah, I can see where you get that.
Colin, is that good?
Yeah. You like spicy, buddy?
You love spicy.
Really?
I'm gonna get one.
Ooh, those are spicy.
You're gonna get water? Do you need water?
Wait.
Water?
Water.
Okay.
Colin, let me get your milk.
What do you rate it, Amanda?
I'm gonna rate that one probably a 7. Those have good.
7? Yeah, it does.
Here, when I'm done.
Wait. So they have shrimp in the Philippines?
Oh yeah. They call it
I
Bisaya.
thought like the Philippines was landlocked.
Who eats those? You eat those? You like
Oh
them?
yeah, I love those.
It's literally like just biting into the ocean.
Biting into the ocean. Spicy ones worse, better.
Spicy ones are better.
Yeah,
Probably
better.
because it masks the ocean
Yeah,
flavor.
probably.
So the original one, definitely give it like a 0.
0.
And the spicy ones maybe a 2.
Okay. So next we're gonna try ube crackers, and ube is like a yam. It's like a sweet potato.
Oh.
Okay, but they're really sweet and they're purple. So these ube crackers, okay?
Oh. It's a cookie, Cole, and
It's a cookie. They're like a yam, and they make ice cream out of ube.
Oh.
What do you think?
those are good.
You like them? What do you?
100.
100.
That is good. I'll I'll give that one a 10.
All right.
Ube!
So AJ can have one.
Yes.
Wow, this is fun.
Do you want to know the Cebuano word for yummy? So if you think it's yummy, say lami.
Mmm.
Probably not gonna happen.
Ooh, babe.
Ube. What do you think?
It definitely tastes what it smells like. That's for sure.
Does it taste like a sweet potato though?
Mmm.
I don't think so.
Lamoo.
No, lami.
Oh, Lily.
All right. You don't have to eat all of it if you don't like it.
No, I'll finish it.
What? Rate it. Are you rating by smell?
No, it reminds me of the macaroons I just made. I would give it a 5. If it was placed in front of me, I would eat it, but I wouldn't go out of
I'm
my way
gonna
to
go.
buy
I'm
them.
gonna go with an 8.
You like them?
So now we're gonna try pancit canton. I just made some, and this is spicy. So if you need water, go ahead.
Okay,
Yeah, try
I
it.
want it.
Here,
No,
Cole.
I don't know.
It's spicy, buddy.
The sour cream and onion chips were yummy.
Mhm.
Lami!
Do you like it? Is it lami? Kote, can you say lami?
Ooh, that is kind of spicy.
What
But
do you
it's
think,
good.
Connor? Rate it.
See if I'll go for his water. Or if I'll go for
Is that lami, Colton? Is that lami? Say lami. Is it spicy? Oh, Connor likes it. All right. Now, you're gonna get another bite. Pancit canton.
What
Yeah,
is it?
whatever.
It's spicy, just so you know.
Yummy, yummy. Open up that hatch.
Here. Let me take it from you.
I like it.
Yeah. It's Carly's dying.
I would give it a 5. I mean, I would
A
eat
5?
it. Yeah,
Okay, good.
I would
There's-
eat it.
There's other flavors though. There is.
Yeah.
This is just a spicy version.
It just, it tastes like spicy ramen, like chicken spicy ramen.
This is so yummy. I love fish crackers. They're amazing.
It don't look like fishes.
No, but they're made out of fish. They're so good.
Let me.
Lami.
Lami!
Yeah. How would you rate it? Like 8, 5?
9.
I'm gonna
Nine.
give this one a 7.
Lovely.
So
You're
10?
rated a 10.
You're gonna rate it 10? Connor, I like your ratings. They're all 10 out of 10.
I do like this cute little packaging here. I think that's cute.
So neat.
What do you think?
Okay. Definitely don't taste super fishy like the other ones did.
All right.
I would give it a 5.
So for the final thing, everybody loves this. I have not met one person that does not love this. It's chocolate covered mangoes, dried mangoes. They are amazing. Is it yummy, Colton?
No.
Yeah. Is it yummy? You like
Yummy.
it? Let me. That was like a very long
I'll
quote.
give it a 10.
10. Okay,
I'll
10.
give it a 7.
7. Amanda?
9.
I think I'm.
No.
You liked it, didn't you?
What do you give it?
I'm gonna have to give this one like a 3 or 4.
Oh, okay, really?
That is not my favorite.
Really? That's crazy.
We're great. Okay. Next.
Ooh,
So, chocolate covered mango. Naka-try na si Carly. Okay, so.
I already give these a 10.
Okay. Chocolate covered mango.
We have to split it?
Yeah.
That's a mango?
I went to the Smiths and they already ate some.
This is garbage.
What?
I want to eat the whole thing.
What happened to the mango?
It's underneath. It's inside. It's
I
dipped
know,
in chocolate.
But I've seen mango dipped in chocolate and it's not flat.
What? It's dried mango.
Oh, that makes more sense.
I just gotta say the Filipinos know what they're doing when it comes to mangoes.
Yeah.
It's so good.
Literally.
You can't even try to remake them in America. I've tried. It's terrible.
You tried?
Yeah, they're terrible.
I'm sure.
You like these?
I love them.
You like these?
I love them.
Did you rate it yet?
I give it a 10. I'd eat them all the time.
You give
Yeah.
it a 10?
I love chocolate covered mangoes from the
Okay, I'm gonna give it like a 3.
Yes, that's not surprising to me.
Because-
Super
Okay.
sweet stuff.
That was really sweet.
Alright.
And just chocolatey.
Alright.
Sweet. If I had to eat it again, would I? Yeah, probably. In a pinch.
Salamat sa pagtanaw. I hope nag-enjoy mo. Please like and subscribe. Bye!
Bogey!
Bogey!
Mommy, mine.
Is that yummy, Colton?